As promised, I said I was going to do standalone videos, and I also said I wanted to do a favorite things. So let's start this video. Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Felicia, here with another video. On my channel I do vlogs, fashion, beauty, sneakers, you name it, I do it. So if that is what you're into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to like and comment because I do interact. Whew, I feel like I haven't said that in forever, child. Lord. But welcome back. Let's get into this video. Like I said, this is going to be a favorite things. I kind of want to give it a new name like Fees Finds. Ooh, I like that. Fees fine. So that's what this is about to be. So it won't necessarily all be like favorite things. These will be things that I'm trying, I just picked up, and I just want to share with you. So the first thing I'm going to share with you guys is my new toothbrush. I finally went ahead and got me a Philips Sonicare. I really like this toothbrush. It has it's a power and chargeable toothbrush, which I like, so I don't have to worry about going out and buying batteries. I can charge it up. The cool thing about this toothbrush is that it lets you know when your battery needs to be charged, and it also lets you know when it is time to replace your toothbrush head. It also has like a sensor, so like if you're getting too close to your gums or going too hard, it'll kind of give you an alert. And it also has a timer on it to make sure that you're brushing your teeth properly, because you should be brushing your teeth for 2 minutes. So I really like this. I caught mine on sale at Target. I'll put a link of all these things in the description box. So if you're interested in one of these, I highly recommend. So next we're going to get into some skincare. I think I showed you guys this in one of the BoxyCharms or Ipsy boxes that I have. But I've been using it and I really like it. I like to use this at night or on the weekends when I'm not going outside. And it is the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. I really like this. I have it on now. It gives your skin a glow. It keeps it so moisturized. Like you can feel it to the touch. It's not greasy, but it's like you can feel it. And your skin is moisturized, it's soft, and you have a glow. And this is a refillable packaging. So once I run out, I can take this to Sephora and they have a pod that you buy and you can replace this. I like to put this on at night as a part of my nighttime routine. And then, like I said, also during the weekend, I like to wear it because I don't have to worry about my skin being too oily if I go out or something like that. But I just really like the way that this feels. This is a great like treat for your skin, if that makes any sense. And you can find this at Sephora. Again, I'll link all these things in the description box. So if you've been watching my vlogs, you saw me pick this up, and this is the Nivea Essentially Enriched Deep Nourishing Serum with almond oil. I picked this up because I typically like to get the Vaseline with almond oil, but they didn't have that. So I got this. And when I say that I really like this, I really, really like this. It moisturizes the skin. It has your skin feeling soft and hydrated and a little shine, like a little glow. I also like the smell. It's a nice, clean smell. It smells like a hug from your aunt, if that makes sense. It's not an old lady smell, but it's a nice smell, like a nice huggable smell, if that makes sense. And I really like it. Some people complain about Nivea that it's too thick, but a good thick cream is what you need to like get in there and moisturize. It doesn't take a lot to rub in. It rubs in really well. It's not greasy. So I like it. This will be a staple. I've been using it almost daily, and yeah, I'm rocking. So next, I'm going to show you guys a bottle of wine that I've been trying. And again, if you follow my vlogs, you would have saw this in a vlog, and it is the Desire by St. Julian. It is a sweet rosé wine. And I said this summer that I wanted to switch from red to maybe a rosé or even a Riesling, but just something not as heavy as red. I wanted something crisp and refreshing. And so far, this has been the first rosé that I've tried. And as you can see, your girl killed the bottle. So this is sweet. It has hints of grapefruit, watermelon, strawberry, and candy. So that lets you know the kind of sweetness that it has. And this bottle, like, I didn't throw away the bottle because I just think that this bottle is so cute. I want to find something else to do with. I love it. I love everything about it. And it is a 10%, I believe. It's either 10% alcohol volume. So it's going to get you where you need to be. A great wine. Chills really good. Great for the summer. You guys know that I like to read. I try to read a book once a month. And so I didn't read a book in June. Oddly enough, the month is over. I don't know what happened. I had plans on reading a book, but I just didn't order or get one. But the book that I read for May was by Jay Shetty. It was The 8 Rules of Love: How to Find Love, Keep It, and Let It Go. I really enjoyed this book. Now, I will say when he starts talking about like the monk rules and stuff like that, and some of the philosophies or terms, it is a little over the head because I couldn't pronounce them. But the principles that he shared in this book about dating, being in relationship, um, knowing when to let go of love, how to love yourself, I highly think that this was a great book. He gave some great principles, some great ideas, and things that I really want to take with me, and some things that was kind of like affirming because I was like, yeah, I kind of already felt that way, and I kind of believed that and sure had those philosophies. So it was good to really enjoy it. Read. This is a great read, especially if you're like in the place where I am, where you're either coming out of a relationship, maybe you're starting a new relationship, or you just want to try different ways when it comes to love. It also has chapters on how to love difficult people as well. So highly recommend. Again, I will list everything in the description. The last thing that I want to share with you guys is a pair of sandals that I grabbed. These were a birthday grab because I wouldn't pay the price that I paid for these any other time for a pair of sandals. But I said it was my birthday and I wanted them. And it is these Steve Madden dad sandals. Now, I know that you see a lot of the girls that wear these, they get these in black, but I needed a tan sandal and I liked this basket weave, like, I forgot what it's called. Is it on the box? Raffia. That's no. Yeah, it's Raffia or something like that. I really like that. I thought that that would be different and cute, a cute sandal to have for the summertime. I will again put these in the description box. I would say if you are a half size up. I'm not sure. I'm an 8.5, 9. I got a 9, and as you can see, they fit. They fit. So I would say that they run a little small, but I also would say be careful getting sizing up. And also you have to get on a wait list with Steve Madden with shoes. I did not know that. It took 3 weeks for these to come, but they're here and I'm happy and satisfied about it. So that's it. That's everything that I have to have for this month's fees finds. So if you enjoyed this, let me know if you like the new concept of fees fines. It's almost the same thing, but you know, just trying something different. Let me know what you thought about this video. Share it. Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know which one of these finds that you are interested in, that you might run out and buy. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.